In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block Fireflies AI on Microsoft Teams. If you've been seeing the Fireflies bot automatically join calls or post meeting notes in your organization's chats, and you're ready to turn that off, the cleanest way is to disconnect Microsoft Teams directly from your Fireflies account. This removes the integration at the source, so the bot stops appearing across your team and chats. Start by heading to the Fireflies website in your browser. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the section that manages app connections. This is typically labeled Integrations. It's where Fireflies lists all the apps it can connect to, as well as any that are already linked to your account or workspace. If you're asked to sign in, that's normal. Just proceed so you can access your settings. Inside Integrations, switch to the area that shows what's currently active. You'll see a label or tab called Connected. This view filters the list so you only see services that are linked right now. Scan the connected list and locate Microsoft Teams. It should appear as its own card or tile with the Teams logo and a status indicating it's connected. Click Microsoft Teams to open its details. You'll see options for managing the connection. Select Edit to reveal the full set of controls for this integration. This is where Fireflies lets you adjust or remove the link to Teams. Now choose Delete Account or Disconnect. The exact wording can vary slightly, but both options accomplish the same goal. They sever the connection between Fireflies and Microsoft Teams. If you're prompted to confirm, go ahead and approve. This step is important because it finalizes the change and prevents the bot from rejoining future meetings or posting in chats. Once the disconnection is complete, you should see Microsoft Teams disappear from the connected list. That's your visual confirmation on the Fireflies website. From this point forward, the Fireflies bot is removed from your team and chats. It won't auto-join new calls, it won't generate notes in Teams channels, and it won't message participants. Any past notes or recordings already created will remain in your Fireflies account, but the ongoing link to Teams is now off. If you manage multiple workspaces, make sure you perform this in the correct one. And if the connected page still shows Teams after a moment, refresh the page to update the status. That's it. By disconnecting Microsoft Teams from the Fireflies integrations page, you've effectively blocked the Fireflies bot from your Microsoft Teams environment.